1. Humans tend to seek social connection and relationships, as social bonds are crucial for emotional well-being. 2. Cognitive dissonance theory suggests that individuals feel discomfort when holding conflicting beliefs and often try to resolve this inconsistency. 3. The placebo effect highlights the influence of the mind on the body, where believing in the effectiveness of a treatment can lead to real physiological changes. 4. Confirmation bias is a common cognitive tendency where people selectively pay attention to information that aligns with their existing beliefs. 5. Maslow's hierarchy of needs proposes that human motivation is organized into a hierarchy, starting with basic survival needs and progressing to higher-order needs like self-actualization. 6. The mere exposure effect suggests that people tend to develop a preference for things merely because they are familiar with them. 7. The Stanford prison experiment showcased how individuals can conform to assigned roles, leading to unexpected and sometimes unethical behavior. 8. Emotional intelligence involves understanding and managing one's own emotions and recognizing and responding to others' emotions. 9. The fundamental attribution error is the tendency to overemphasize personality-based explanations for others' behavior while underestimating situational factors. 10. Cognitive development, as proposed by Piaget, occurs through stages such as sensoromotor, pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operational, influencing how individuals perceive and understand the world.